The rise of artificial intelligence has transformed the way writers create, refine, and publish their work. Among the most significant developments is the use of AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to generate books for Amazon's KDP platform. Whether you're an aspiring author looking to break into self-publishing or an entrepreneur seeking to scale your online business, ChatGPT presents an incredible opportunity to streamline your writing process and increase your book sales. But how exactly can you leverage this tool effectively? And what are the potential pitfalls you need to avoid? In this in-depth guide, we will explore how ChatGPT can help authors and online sellers maximize their success on Amazon KDP. We'll discuss best practices for AI-assisted book creation, the importance of research and keyword optimization, and the role ChatGPT plays in brainstorming, editing, and refining content. You'll also learn about potential risks, such as low-quality AI-generated books flooding the market, and how to avoid common mistakes when using AI as part of your writing process. Understanding ChatGPT and its role in publishing. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses and assist with a wide range of language-based tasks, from answering questions to writing entire books. By processing vast amounts of text data, ChatGPT can mimic different writing styles, generate creative ideas, and provide detailed responses based on user prompts. Many authors and sellers have embraced ChatGPT for content creation because of its speed, accessibility, and cost-effectiveness. Instead of spending weeks or months writing a book from scratch, authors can use AI to generate drafts, structure their ideas, and refine their writing much more efficiently. However, while AI can be a powerful tool, it is crucial to understand its limitations and avoid over-relying on it for complete book creation. The growing trend of AI-generated books on Amazon KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing has long been a haven for self-published authors and online sellers looking to expand their digital storefronts. Traditionally, publishing a book required extensive time, effort, and expertise, often leading authors to hire freelance writers, editors, and designers. However, with the rise of AI-generated content, the landscape of self-publishing is rapidly changing. Amazon's Kindle store saw a surge in books either authored or co-authored by ChatGPT, with thousands of AI-assisted titles hitting the platform. The convenience of AI-assisted writing has encouraged more individuals to enter the publishing world, but it has also raised questions about quality control and originality. Despite concerns about the influx of AI-generated books, the potential for leveraging ChatGPT as a writing assistant is immense. When used strategically, AI can enhance creativity, help overcome writer's block, and speed up the publishing process without compromising quality. How ChatGPT can support Amazon KDP authors. For those looking to publish on Amazon KDP, ChatGPT can serve as a valuable tool at every stage of the writing and publishing process. Here's how AI can help. Before writing a book, it's essential to identify a profitable niche. ChatGPT can assist with market research by analyzing current trends, suggesting popular book topics, and even summarizing competitor books. By inputting specific queries, you can use AI to generate unique book concepts that align with reader demand. Whether you're writing fiction or nonfiction, structuring your book properly is crucial. ChatGPT can generate detailed outlines, suggest chapter structures, and even create compelling hooks to capture readers' attention. For fiction writers, AI can help brainstorm character backgrounds, plot twists, and engaging dialogues. While ChatGPT can generate complete drafts, the best practice is to use AI as an assistant rather than the sole writer. AI-generated text can sometimes lack emotional depth and originality, so human intervention is necessary to refine and personalize the content. ChatGPT can suggest alternative phrasing, adjust tone, and offer grammar and style improvements to elevate the writing quality. Editing is a crucial step in publishing, and AI can serve as a second set of eyes. ChatGPT can identify grammatical errors, redundancies, and awkward phrasing, providing real-time suggestions to enhance readability. However, it's always advisable to use professional proofreading services or editing tools to ensure the final product meets high publishing standards. To maximize book sales on Amazon KDP, effective keyword usage is essential. ChatGPT can help craft compelling book titles and descriptions that incorporate high-ranking keywords, making it easier for potential readers to discover your book. AI can also assist in writing persuasive sales copy that highlights the book's key benefits and encourages conversions. Best practices for using ChatGPT and KDP. To get the most out of ChatGPT for publishing on Amazon KDP, follow these best practices. While AI can generate text quickly, it's important to maintain creative control. Use ChatGPT to support your writing rather than fully relying on it to produce a book. Inject your own voice, experiences, and insights to make your content stand out. AI-generated writing can sometimes be generic or repetitive. Edit and refine the text to add personality, humor, and unique perspectives. Readers can tell when content feels robotic, so make sure your final draft is engaging and authentic. The quality of ChatGPT's output depends on how well you craft your prompts. Be specific and detailed when instructing AI. Instead of asking for a story about a hitman, try something like, write a gripping comedic adventure story about a newbie hitman who must accomplish bizarre missions to be accepted into the program. The more precise the prompt, the better the results. ChatGPT's responses are based on existing data, meaning it can sometimes generate inaccuracies. Double-check facts, verify sources, and ensure that the content is original before publishing. Plagiarism concerns can arise if AI unintentionally produces text similar to existing works, so always use plagiarism detection tools. Visibility on Amazon depends on strategic keyword placement. Research relevant keywords using tools like Amazon's search suggestions or keyword analytics platforms. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your book title, subtitle, and description to improve discoverability. The challenges of AI-generated content on Amazon KDP. While ChatGPT offers many advantages, it also presents some challenges. With more sellers using AI to generate books, the competition has intensified. To stand out, authors must prioritize quality, originality, and reader engagement. Some AI-generated books are published without proper editing or refinement, leading to poor reader experiences. If the market becomes flooded with low-quality content, Amazon may impose stricter regulations on AI-generated books in the future. AI-generated content raises questions about originality and intellectual property. If AI produces text similar to existing works, it could lead to copyright issues. Authors should always ensure their content is unique and compliant with publishing standards. Embracing AI in the publishing world. ChatGPT is undeniably a game-changer in the world of self-publishing. When used wisely, it can enhance creativity, speed up the writing process, and optimize book marketing strategies. However, success on Amazon KDP requires more than just AI-generated content. It demands thoughtful storytelling, careful editing, and strategic marketing. By combining AI's efficiency with human creativity, authors can produce high-quality books that resonate with readers and drive sales. Whether you're an experienced writer or a newcomer to self-publishing, embracing AI as a supportive tool, rather than a replacement for genuine creativity, can help you build a sustainable and profitable presence on Amazon KDP. So why not explore the possibilities of ChatGPT today and take your Amazon KDP publishing journey to new heights? Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.